Welcome back on the channel, VST here, Wednesday Tech, and yeah, this is 1UI9.0. Some follow-up videos with some things that I have discovered since this now is my main daily driver until my Oppo Find X9 Ultra arrives. And let me clarify, this is pre-release software, so yeah, you know how it is with those things. First things first, I'm playing a YouTube video. In 1UI 8.5 on the S26 Ultra, we have now the audio eraser. So you know about this feature, it's very handy. This exists as well in 1UI 8.5 for the S25 Ultra, the latest beta build, which was a new thing, and it existed before, but it was just applicable on videos. But right now you can successfully isolate sound and focus on voice only when you're watching YouTube. Now, one of the changes in 1UI 9.0 apparently is going to be the fact that the audio eraser is going to be able to erase audio from more applications, not only YouTube, but Facebook, Insta, Samsung, Netflix, Edge, Google TV, the HBO Max, and also Chrome, which I think is a nice, cool addition. All right, the second thing I want to show you, this is very, very cool. When you open the quick share, now you know Samsung made some fuss with introducing share with Apple devices, and I tested this, and it really works. And it's pretty cool because right now you can use your Samsung phone to just send photos to someone with an iPhone, and we know iPhones are still very popular around the whole world. Now, there is going to be something called tap to share. And this is actually quite good. Now I can turn this on. I don't think it works, but with this you can just tap your phone with another Samsung phone and you're able to share images, videos, and other files. Now, for those of you that don't know or don't remember, we used to have something like this in the very early Samsung S series days. I think it was called Samsung Beam or something like that. And yeah, you need to have NFC turned on both phones. Now, while I'm here with the Galaxy AI, I noticed a few new things. The first thing is the photo assist, and I tested this against my S25 Ultra with the very latest 1UI 8.5 beta, which a lot of people are saying that this is going to be very close to the stable version. Now, these things, they exist as well there, but when you click on the create function, which also exists in 1UI 8.5 for the S25 Ultra, you don't get to have this automatically suggest prompts. And this is a cool feature because when you go here and you click on the Magic Galaxy AI button and you click on the create, right? Yeah, it's not gonna work. Well, it's pre-release, as I told you, so don't expect this to work, but I was able to get this to the point where when I clicked on create, I got this indication of what will eventually come when they release it as a proper beta. Get ready to be inspired. AI will analyze your photo to suggest creative ways to transform it. Now, again, I cannot really make this work because, again, it's pre-release, right? So that's, I think, clear. And I'm going to show you something else that I believe is very cool. Now, this feature, most of them will not exist on my S25 Ultra, 1UI 8.5. No now nudge, and also no notification highlights. This thing looks to be pretty cool, because you have the option now to do priority on notifications, right? Where Galaxy AI is going to use information about you and the content of the notification, and it's going to try to sort them up for you. And this only works if you're using English, Korean, Spanish, French. I mean, you see the full list here. And there's something else called summarize notification. So you're supposed to get like a very short summary for conversation notification. And again, this is pretty cool. Now, it's not yet working on my phone, but some of this is working, and I wanted to show this to you. So now I am in notification, and what I can do, I can go in sort and filter. And right now you can see I have by time and by priority. So right now everything here is by time, and now see when I click by priority, it's actually going to reshuffle it. Somehow it thinks that the news is very important for me, and this news outlet is going to be put on top. All right, now see it's here, and the moment I go by priority, boom, it gets there, which I think is pretty cool. And you are supposed to have more options with the way you control notifications, hopefully in Android 17 and also in 1UI 9.0. So yeah, we are very eager to see how that is going to work out. Some of you asked me, what about the new LHDC, the low latency high definition audio codec on Android 17? And honestly, the only way for me to test this, I have these earbuds by SoundPeats. I did a video about them, the R6HS. Pretty cool, by the way. I'm using this, believe it or not, as my main daily driver. Yeah, they're like semi-in-ear open. I really like them. Now, I'm going to connect this to my phone and show you what happens. Now I'm going to open my SoundPeats R6HS and I will enable LDAC. Now, this is going to reboot my headphones. They will have to reconnect hopefully to my phone, and the only thing that I really hope is that this thing is going to work. So now if I go to Bluetooth, so let me just go to Bluetooth and I click here, all right, you can see there is the LDAC high quality, right? So is this the LHDC? I don't really know, but the other thing I can show you is I have this application called the Bluetooth codec. So what I can see is that for sure, you know, like my headphones, the Soundpeats R6HS are connected through LDAC. So the only other option we can do is just go inside the developers option, and here we are now in the Bluetooth options. So from here I can indeed see that I'm using the LDAC, and I can also see HD audio. So according to Gemini, if I see HD audio, this might be an indication that I'm using low latency, high definition audio codec. I really hope that this answers the command of the user that has asked about this. And last but not least, yeah, the changes that are very obvious, the new media player redesign. I really love this because every time you change a song, you're gonna see that this thing is going to adapt based on the cover, right? Like all the waves here, and then of course also the control point here, and it changes, right, all the time. And there is also another pretty cool feature. If you now play this on your lock screen, you are gonna get this animation that does not exist in One UI 8.5. Now, some people don't like this because, again, in One UI 8.5, you get this section here that is themed, but honestly, I think that's better because now my whole lock screen kind of becomes this decluttered media player, and I really love it the way it works. The other change is very obvious, yeah, the new big bars for the brightness and for the sound. But this is not the only change, guys. Obviously the bars here are very big and they are contextual, they do the same things, but what I like about this new change is that they finally disconnected the control buttons, and this is pretty cool because right now, you know, you can just do something like this. I mean, if you that's your thing, you can just fine-tune this, and yeah, you have like a separate control for the sound and for the dark mode. So then again, this is a good new change. There are also many other under the hood changes. You can watch my full deep dive, I'm gonna link it. And one of the more notable things is the fact that they are removing the descriptions from some of the menus, and this looks so much better. Like they give you practically your screen back. And if you do this in One UI 8.5, you will see only until like sound and vibration, right? Like they compacted the whole design. So honestly, right now I believe these are the new things that we can see at the moment, but Android 17 has so much more, and I really can't wait for Samsung to start releasing this to you guys as a beta, where hopefully they will implement a lot of the new things. You know, we have new codecs in Android 17, we have fancy new stuff. Not all of this is great. The new side loading things for APKs is going to be interesting, but we're here to see how this thing develops. Stay safe.